What's up guys, it's Travis. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be breaking down these walls in this room that I just currently ripped up the carpet and the pad in. I'm gonna be ripping these walls down so that I can put in new walls for my new bathroom and bedroom I'm gonna be putting in. Super excited for that. So stay tuned for that in that video, but let's get started. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, whatever. It really helps out the channel and would mean a lot to me just because of the time and effort put into both destroying this room, building this room, and editing these videos for you guys. So again, I really hope you guys enjoyed. I had a lot of fun making this video today, and I hope to be seeing you guys in the next video. Take it easy guys.